Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that can potentially help combat inflammatory disorders, such as rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, slow the rate of cancer growth, and improve cognitive function. Researchers have even been examining the potential for turmeric to enhance weight loss. But before you start sprinkling turmeric on everything you eat, curcumin is poorly absorbed in the body and has minimal impact on blood levels when taken alone. In today's video we'll take a deeper dive into turmeric to discover how to best extract all its nutritional health benefits. 1. Always mix turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper acts as an agent that can trigger its absorption into the bloodstream. You can boost turmeric's absorption by nearly 2000% by adding black pepper. 2. Add a healthy fat to turmeric. Since turmeric is fat-soluble, it must be combined with another fat so that your body can absorb it. When consumed with healthy fats such as coconut or olive oil, or ghee, the compound curcumin can be easily absorbed into the bloodstream. 3. Heat increases turmeric's bioavailability. To trigger turmeric's bioavailability, or absorption, you will need to turn up the heat. You can add turmeric to a cup of hot water, or add it to hot olive oil when cooking. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.